DTU Skylab is the Technical University of Denmark's living lab for sustainable innovation and entrepreneurship. Oni Eickhaug, President, Design for All Europe.
Design for human diversity.
Two young women caressing each other, two seniors riding bikes.
For us in every stage of life.
Complex technological designs being demonstrated. William Vindahl Ludvigsen, student, Technical University of Denmark.
Engineers think very complex solutions that make sense for them, but maybe not the lead user.
Man, riding adaptable bicycle. Anders Bjarklev, President, Technical University of Denmark.
Inclusive and accessible solutions are important for all engineers.
Oni Eickhaug, President, Design for All Europe.
Do not just design for mainstream.
Students working in groups. DTU Skylab presents Technology Leaving No One Behind. Sif Holst, Vice President, Disabled People's Organization Denmark.
We live in a world where we have a tendency to exclude persons with the design we've made throughout centuries.
A young man driving his wheelchair on a sandy beach.
By doing this, we are designing our own biases, inaccessibility and exclusion into our technologies.
Data from the source Return of Disability Group 2020 are shown. 15% of people have some form of disability. 71% of disabilities are invisible. The disability market controls over $13 trillion in disposable income.
Globally, there are whole market segments being underserved. So there's really such a big potential if we are challenged to design differently.
Anders Bjarklev, President, Technical University of Denmark.
Here at DTU, we work with an inclusive mindset. If we want to build a sustainable society where no one is left behind and where everyone has equal opportunities, it is crucial that our future engineers take part in building accessible and inclusive solutions. We want to make technology that helps everyone.
Marie-Louise Polman Larsen, Project Manager, DTU Skylab.
The partnership initiative Technology Leaving No One Behind has since 2019 been providing opportunities within education, entrepreneurship and strategy to make accessibility and inclusion a natural part of engineering sustainable solutions here at DTU.
Education. Dagny Valgarisdottir, Assistant Professor, DTU Skylab.
So to introduce a universal design mindset to engineering students, it's really helpful to have tool development and methods that can support them in these processes.
Demonstrating tools, part of DTU Skylab's playbook for universal design and students co-creating inclusive solutions with end users with disabilities.
Even though they might be used to working with users, universal design helps them to expand that experience.
Project result number 1 within education is shown. Universal design tools are now part of DTU's innovation course for approximately 2,500 master students across all study programs annually. Simone Dalvang, student, Technical University of Denmark.
It really takes the user into consideration, and it helps us with the framework that it gives to open up the minds into the different perspectives of being disabled at different degrees.
Project result number 2 is shown. From September 2019 to September 2022, over 2,300 DTU students have worked with inclusion as part of their education through the Technology Leaving No One Behind initiative. Illa Jedehejs, student, Technical University of Denmark and founder of Bevica Health.
We're not all the same. We are all unique and we all have different needs. So some of us can't hear as well as others. Some of us have different physical capabilities. And what I have found in my experience is that when you design for all those needs from the start, you design products that are great for everyone.
Project result number 3 is shown. From September 2019 to September 2022, 19 DTU courses across 10 different study programs have integrated inclusion as part of their course. Thomas Stensi Otim Okwera, student, Technical University of Denmark.
We are the ones that are going to help change the world, and if we want to create a more inclusive world, we need to include everyone in our design process.
Entrepreneurship. Line Nykjær Johansen, Project Coordinator, DTU Skylab.
Technology Leaving No One Behind offers opportunities and support to accelerate entrepreneurship and drive innovation of inclusive technological solutions.
Demonstrating social media videos from entrepreneurship workshops and events at DTU Skylab.
Through soft funding, user testing, real-world challenges, network to ecosystems, and workshops, we aim to inspire new solutions to emerge and accelerate existing startups.
Project result number 4 within entrepreneurship is shown. From September 2019 to September 2022, inclusion and accessibility is introduced into 9 existing startup offers at DTU Skylab, including accelerator, funding, and incubator programs. Video demonstrating an amputee running on a running blade made by DTU startup Levitate. Fredrik Østergaard Neble, founder and CEO of Orbital.
One of the major things I see as including inclusive design into the way of thinking for entrepreneurs is that it forces everyone in the company to focus on designing the product to be very simple, very minimalistic, and very easy to use. So by doing this, you will naturally gain a competitive edge when you're venturing into some bigger or broader markets.
Project result 5 and 6 are shown. From the period September 2019 to September 2022, Technology Leaving No One Behind has launched 7 new startup offers, including user testing, business boot camps, acceleration, and networking opportunities for startups. A total of 336,592 Danish kroner have been awarded through 6 seed grants to DTU startups working with accessibility and inclusion. Strategy. Sif Holst, Vice President of Disabled People's Organisation Denmark.
Disabled People's Organizations Denmark can do something, but we cannot do everything alone. If you want to create sustainable and inclusive change, we need to collaborate, also different sectors. We need to work together to come up and challenge each other to find out how are we going to do this.
Students and people with disabilities shown doing co-creation workshops.
So for us, the importance is really this, finding the solutions together. We cannot do it alone.
Project result number 7. The initiative has delivered on DTU's strategy, Technology for People, through partnerships, events, and communication, which has resulted in 17 articles written and plus 100 social media posts shared via DTU and external partners. Collaborations initiated with civil society organizations, universities, and industry representatives, such as Danish.care, Presselit, Great Minority, Roskilde Festival, and Enact Lab. A Facebook community has been established with more than 400 members. Signe Hartvig Daugaard, founder of Great Minority and co-founder of Entrepreneurship Bootcamp.
There are still many challenges to be solved to create societies and business where everyone is included. Involve us in your solutions. We are here to contribute, and we have only just begun.
Technology Leaving No One Behind, powered by DTU Skylab. In partnership with DTU Management, Disabled People's Organisation Denmark, Association of Youth with Disabilities, and the Bevica Foundation. Join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. #DTU Skylab.